Hey, this is Super Testnet, and I just wanted to show you an example of how to connect your own node to Magic Webstore if you have a Magic Webstore. So to get started, I'm just going to create one real quick, so you can see I'm starting fresh and from as if I've never done this before. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Manage Sales, and the Connect Your Node button is right here, and it comes with some instructions for how to do that. And pretty shortly there's even going to be this YouTube video in here telling you, what to do. So this is the part where you actually have to do some stuff, and it's pretty easy. The first thing you do is open up your browser console. I'm doing that by doing Control-Shift-I, and at least in the Firefox browser, that brings up your browser console right there. Another thing you can do, if that doesn't work in your browser, you can go up to the menu and go down to More Tools. This works in Google Chrome as well, and in Chrome, there's a thing called Developer Tools. In Firefox, it's called Web Developer Tools. But that's what you click, and then the console should be one of the tabs in this little, window that comes up on the side. So this is what I mean by your browser console. This is the thing where you want to be. It gives you some information about the page up here, and then it gives you a place to type stuff in down here. So this is what it says over here. Enter this into your browser console. So I'm just going to copy this right here, paste it, and hit enter, and that tells me some details about my wallet. In fact, it shows me my LNbits info in JSON format, because of course Magic Webstore gives you an LNbits account whenever you create one. So what it says to do is to copy this, and it says use a text editor to change the info in the JSON so that it shows info from your own node. Well, the console is a text editor, so I'm just going to do this part in the console as well. And basically, we need to take this wallet ID, the admin key, the read key, and the wallet URL, and change all of those to some other, to a wallet that's on our own node. So here, I'm going to just use this LNbits wallet. It's just a different LNbits wallet, and I'm going to connect mine to that one instead. So what's the first thing it wants? It wants the wallet ID. Well, I can get that right from over here, wallet ID. So you can go to whatever LNbits instance you have on your own node, and you can paste your wallet ID right into there. The next thing it wants is the admin key. So there's the admin key. Just paste it right in. Admin key. The next thing it wants is the read key. So here it is, invoice/read key. Copy that, paste it in, and then the wallet URL. That's the last thing. So I can just copy that from up here and paste it. So if you have LNbits running on your own node, honestly, that's all you need to do. You just need to get these 4 pieces of data and replace the ones in here with that, and then follow the rest of these instructions. So then enter this into your browser console. var JSON equals your modified JSON. So here's our JSON. var JSON equals this. Okay, replace your modified JSON with this thing we just did, and we hit enter. And lastly, the last step is to say wallet info equals this. Okay, so done that, and okay, I said last step, but there is one more thing. Then I just need to resubmit my store. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to create a test product in here, give it a shipping zone, make something for $1, and submit my store. And now, that's all I had to do, and any time that I receive sales on this wallet now, they will go into this LNbits wallet. So if you've got one on your node, that's great. Just a couple things to be aware of. If you're running on Tor and you do this, then people won't be able to pay you unless they're using a Tor browser. So a lot of Umbrels and Start9s, they expose an LNbits instance over Tor, and then you just have to be aware if you make a Tor domain as the domain that they're connecting to send you money. Normal browsers don't know how to talk to Tor, so they'd have to be using a Tor compatible browser. But yeah, if you're using this on Start9 or Umbrel, probably won't work. You really do have to set up LNbits on an Amazon server or something where you can point a ClearNet domain at it. So I'm not giving instructions for that, but if you want to, there are great tutorials on YouTube, so you can search how to install YouTube or how to install LNbits on a VPN, or on a VPS, virtual private server. So check that out for more information. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're able to connect your own node to Nostr using these instructions. Bye-bye.